Hi guys, welcome to my channel Digital Maths, and in today's video we'll learn about T ratios of some particular angles like 45 degree and 60 degree and 30 degree. So let us first find out the T ratio of 45 degree. So we are assuming that ABC be a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle A is equal to 45 degree. To understand this, let us draw the triangle first. So we have drawn a triangle ABC where angle A is 45 degree, B is the right angle. Clearly angle C would also be 45 degree. Let us write this first. So angle B 90 degree, angle A 45 degree, then angle C is equal to 45 degree. Now we can see that AB is equal to BC because both the angles A and C are is equal to 45 degree. Let AB is equal to BC is equal to A units. Then as per Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to root under AB square plus BC square. That means A square plus A square, which is equal to root 2 A units. Now in this figure, base is AB, which is equal to A, and perpendicular is BC, which is also equal to A, and the hypotenuse is equal to AC, which is equal to root 2a. Now we already know as per my last video that sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here sine 45 degree is equal to perpendicular, which is BC, by hypotenuse, which is AC. That means A by root 2a, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Here cos 45 degree is equal to AB by AC, which is equal to A by root 2a, that means 1 by root 2. And tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, that means BC by AB, which is equal to A by A, which is again equal to 1. Now we already know that cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Hence cosec 45 degree is equal to 1 by sin 45 degree. That means 1 by root 2, which is equal to root 2. Similarly, sec 45 degree is equal to 1 by cos 45 degree, which is again equal to root 2, and cot 45 degree is equal to 1 by tan 45 degree, which is equal to 1. Now let us see how to find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree and 30 degree. Now here we are drawing an equilateral triangle ABC with each sides equal to 2a. Then each angle of ABC is 60 degree. Then from A we are drawing AD perpendicular to BC. Then clearly BD is equal to DC equals to A, because as per properties of an equilateral triangle, if we draw a perpendicular like this, it will divide the side into two equal parts. And also angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Hence angle BAD is equal to 30 degree. Because in triangle ADB, you can see one angle is 60 degree, one angle is 90 degree. So the third angle would be 30 degree. Now let us write this first. So let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC with each sides equals to 2a. Then each angle is equal to 60 degree, because in an equilateral triangle each angle is 60 degree. From A we have drawn a perpendicular on BC, which is AD perpendicular to BC. Then clearly we can see that BD equals to DC equals to A. And angle ADB is equal to 90 degree and angle ABD is equal to 60 degree. Hence angle BAD we can calculate is equal to 30 degree. Now in right angle triangle ADB, we have AB as the hypotenuse, base is BD and AD is the perpendicular. Hence AD is equal to root under AB square minus BD square, which is as per Pythagoras theorem, which is equal to root under 2a whole square minus a square, that is equal to root under 3a square is equal to root 3a. Hence AD is equal to root 3a. Now let us first find out the T ratios of angle 60 degree. Now in the right angle triangle ADB, we can see that the base is equal to BD, which is equal to A, and perpendicular is AD, which is equal to root 3A. We have just calculated the value, and hypotenuse is AB, which is equal to 2A. Hence sine 60 degree would be equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is AD by AB, which is equal to root 3A by 2A. AA would be cancelled out, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to base by hypotenuse, then BD by AB, which is equal to A by 2A, that means 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, which is AD by BD, equals to root 3A by A, then root 3. Now we know that cosec 60 degree would be 1 by sine 60 degree, that means 2 by root 3. Sec 60 degree would be 1 by cos 60 degree, which means 2, and cot 60 degree would be equal to 1 by tan 60 degree, which is equal to 1 by root 3. I hope you all understood how I calculated these T ratios of 60 degree. Now let us calculate the T ratios of 30 degree. So in right angle triangle ADB, we can also say that base is equal to AD, which is equal to root 3A because we calculated that, and perpendicular is equal to BD, which is equal to A, and hypotenuse is equal to AB, which is equal to 2A. Hence sine 30 degree would be equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here in this case perpendicular is BD and hypotenuse is AB. So BD by AB, which is equal to A by 2A, equals to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to base by hypotenuse, which is AD by AB, which is equal to root 3A by 2A, hence root 3 by 2, and tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, which is BD by AD. That means A by root 3A, that means 1 by root 3. In a similar way, we will calculate cosec 30 degree is equal to 1 by sine 30 degree. That means 2. Sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by cos 30 degree, which means 2 by root 3. And cot 30 degree is equal to 1 by tan 30 degree, again equals to root 3. So this is the table for T ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This is very easy to remember. Now we will solve some examples which you can clearly understand. I will just put the value of cos, sine and whatever we are getting in our example and calculate the value. So let us do the examples. This is all for today. If you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.